guys, it's me. Today we'll be doing a video on Animal Jam. Yeah, so, basically I'll be talking about, I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, I'll just do a random video.
About scamming.
Yeah, scamming. Or AJ, whatever. Have you seen the AJ news? Yeah. Big news.
What?
Think in a party and Lilac Petal was on it. It's not fair.
It's not fair. I wish I could be on the news, like
the real life news. It's real.
Well,
I think it was Lilac Petal or Wisteria. I don't know.
Lilac Petal, like they were like trading each other.
They didn't bear. Okay. So, anyways, yeah. I was working like an hour on this thing and it didn't work all, yeah. So, yeah, I just redid the video. So, yeah.
And let's talk about scamming. Okay, let's go to Jam Township, see if there's any giveaways.
Yeah.
They're not that there often.
What the? Oh my gosh.
Trade me, it's my birthday. Gift me, it's my birthday. That's a scam. So, yeah. Or like trade me rare betas, I will accept.
Yeah, of course you're gonna accept. I'm gonna go mid. I love Liberty. Who is Liberty AJ?
So, yeah, let's go to the dinner party. Okay, let's see what's at the featured Gen party. Okay, let's go. Let's sit down at a booth.
Hello. Be quiet.
Let's go sit on a bench or something.
I'm gonna go sit outside.
Because outside's very relaxing. Sit alone.
Yeah. Sit.
Sit.
SIT. I like to roleplay a lot. Sits alone.
So, thank you guys so much. And we are going to upload a video soon about a love story. So, and bye.
Bye.